This guide explores various methods to solve the mystery behind your iPhone's black screen. From easy troubleshooting steps to more advanced solutions, we'll take you on an exciting journey to restore iPhone screen not working but phone is on. Part 2. What to do when iPhone screen is black but phone is on. 1. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8 or later, press Vol Plus, then Vol. Long press side power. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, hold side or power. Volume down until logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and older, hold side or power. Home until logo shows. Then release. 2. Charge iPhone. Plug your device into a power source to see if this helps to get your screen working again. If your battery is low, it may cause your black screen. Leave the device charging for several minutes. 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. Connect iPhone to PC via USB. Open iTunes if needed. Wait for iTunes to sync. Click device icon. Choose Restore Backup from Summary. Select Recent Backup from drop-down. After restore, check if issue is resolved. 4. Try DFU Restore with iTunes. Connect iPhone to updated iTunes via USB. Check Summary, Backup Data. Hold Home. Power until screen goes black. Release power. Keep holding Home. iTunes detects recovery mode. Select Restore iPhone. Wait for DFU process. Configure settings after completion. 5. Consult Apple support. If all else fails, contact Apple support via call or online chat. Experts can guide you and resolve the problem. Part 3. How to fix iPhone black screen but still on with iOS system recovery. iOS system recovery is a powerful tool designed to help iPhone users overcome various system issues, including the infamous iPhone screen went black but still works.